I'm Janine Pettit, brand ambassador at Go RVing, and I've got a friend with me today.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Sarah, I made Sarah, she's my buddy. I met her at the campground this summer at my seasonal site where we're having a lot of fun, aren't we? So every Saturday morning they do crafts here for kids, and I'm fascinated by the whole thing. So I was thinking, what if we can make crafts out of stuff that's already laying around the house, right? Repurpose, reuse, recycle. Let's have some fun with what we already have. Free fun. So we drink a lot of club soda at the Pettit house here. So we have a lot of these all the time. So Sarah and I were talking about bowling for dollars here, or bowling for fun.
Yeah.
And you fill these with a little bit of water on the bottom, right? But here's the fun part. Ta-da! Okay. If you put glow sticks inside of these, we need a little bit of water to create some weight, so it's a little hard, right? We want you to have to work at it a little. So crack the glow stick, right? Oh, okay, you got, ooh, that's
Make it glow.
Make it glow, make it glow. That goes in the water bottle. Ooh, mine's not that glowy, but we'll see what happens when we get it in the dark. So
Close it up.
here's a yellow one. Put that in there.
This one ready.
All right, that'll be our head pin right there, that red one that doesn't seem to want to glow.
Yeah.
But we'll get this one going.
We'll make it glow by
We'll make it. We'll make it. Okay, so we're going over to the pickleball court tonight, and we're going to set these up, and then we are going to use this little ball for the bowling.
And gonna knock them all out.
Knock them all down. Sarah and I, we're going head to head tonight at the pickleball court. Okay, this is Janine Pettit for Go RVing with my wonderful sidekick, Sarah.